Business English is more than just general English applied to a business context. It involves specific vocabulary, phrases, and communication styles that are commonly used in professional settings. To improve your business English skills, focus on these essential areas. 1. Formal versus informal language. Understanding when to use formal or informal language is crucial in business settings. For example, formal: I would appreciate your feedback on this proposal. Informal: let me know what you think about this idea. 2. Email etiquette. Learn appropriate greetings, closings, and polite phrases for business emails. Dear Mr. Ms., last name, for formal openings. Best regards or sincerely for formal closings. I hope this email finds you well as a polite opening. 3. Presentations and meetings. Master phrases for presenting information, facilitating discussions, and participating in meetings. To summarize the main points. Does anyone have any questions or comments? I'd like to add that. 4. Negotiation and persuasion. Learn phrases for effective negotiation and persuasion. I see your point, but have you considered? This solution would be beneficial because. What if we were to? 5. Problem solving and decision making. Acquire vocabulary for discussing problems and making decisions. Let's weigh the pros and cons. We need to identify the root cause of this issue. I suggest we take the following course of action. Essential business English phrases. Here are some commonly used business English phrases categorized by function. 1. Agreeing and disagreeing. I completely agree with you. I see your point, but I have a different perspective. I'm afraid I don't quite see it that way. 2. Clarifying and asking for clarification. Could you please elaborate on that? If I understand correctly, you're saying that. Let me rephrase that to ensure I've understood. 3. Making suggestions. Have you considered? One possible approach could be. What if we were to? 4. Giving opinions. In my opinion. From my perspective. Based on my experience. 5. Interrupting politely. Sorry to interrupt, but if I may add something. Excuse me, I'd like to make a point. 6. Concluding discussions. To wrap up. In conclusion, let's summarize the key points. Strategies for improving your business English skills. 1. Immerse yourself in business English. Read business news, listen to business podcasts, and watch business-related videos to familiarize yourself with current terminology and expressions. 2. Practice active listening. Pay attention to how native English speakers communicate in professional settings. Notice their intonation, pacing, and choice of words. 3. Role-play business scenarios. Practice common business situations like giving presentations, participating in meetings, or writing emails with a language partner or tutor. 4. Use language learning apps. Utilize apps specifically designed for business English to learn and practice vocabulary and phrases on the go. 5. Join professional networks. Engage in online forums or professional networking sites to practice your business English skills in real-world contexts. 6. Take business English courses. Consider enrolling in specialized business English courses, either online or in person, to receive structured guidance and feedback. 7. Keep a business English journal. Note down new phrases or expressions you encounter and practice using them in your own communication. Remember, mastering business English is an ongoing process. Consistent practice and exposure to authentic business communication will help you improve over time.